Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. In my video today, I'm just going to show you how I upcycle this 3-shelf side table. So guys, stick with me to the end and you'll see how perfect this turned out. So as you can see, I'm just detaching the legs and the shelf from the table, and then I just use a cloth with a little fairy and a little warm water just to wipe off the excess dirt that has built up on the side table when I bought it. I actually bought this side table for £4, and I'm gonna bling it up and make it look nice so you guys can see the end result. So I went in with my medium grit sanding paper and then just sand it down. As you can see, I'm focusing on one place a little bit more because there was a little bit of water damage, and I just want to make sure that everything is even, smooth, and actually in the right place. Everything is smooth and nice. And then after I've sanded down the shelves and the legs, I went ahead with another piece of cloth with warm water and fairy liquid, and then just get off the excess dust that has built up while I was sanding it down. Guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and share. And if you're returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for coming back to me. I went ahead with some Liqueur primer and started priming the shelf, but then I changed my mind and just decided, okay, I'll do the legs first, and the legs will dry a lot easier, and then I can go ahead and then prime the shelf. So I went ahead with this Liqueur paint. I used it in my last video. I'll leave a link with the video below. I'll leave a link with the description below. So guys, if you want to check it out. And after the legs have dried, I just used some painter's tape just to go around it, and then start attaching it back to the shelf just to create back the corner unit. And once I did it, I started painting it in Calgary, a matte, but I wasn't loving it. I wasn't feeling it that much. So you guys will see that after I actually change it into black. Yeah, here you go. So I changed it into black. The whole thing is black. And then I just went in with my Liqueur and then just start sealing in the paint. Guys, if you haven't seen my last video, please click on the link below or on the link up here in the corner. You will see my last video on my makeup table that I actually got it for free, and I sold it for £80, and I made a profit of £45.50. So if you guys want to check that out, please go ahead and do so right now. So after I've put on the Liqueur, I add some glue on just so I needed to add the gold leaf on, and then I just start applying the gold leaf onto the art or shape that I've drawn out onto the side table. I'm not a perfect artist, but it turned out okay. I mean, the way that I drew it, it came out a lot better than I was expecting it, so I'm quite happy with it. I went in with a dry brush and then just start dusting off the excess gold leaf that was left over, and then just start putting what didn't attach to the glue properly. So I started putting them on properly so it stays on. I mean, you don't have to use the gold leaf, but I just thinking if it's all in black, I could give it like a different statement, something looking different, and this is what I came up with. And then after I did, I used a piece of cloth just to go around and make sure all of the gold leaf is secured and it's nice and smooth and nothing will pop out once I start to liqueur the gold leaf. Make sure I get all the corners under the knobs and make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And then once I did that, I went in again with another piece of cloth, a different piece of cloth, a different dry cloth, and just make sure that all the dust and everything is off. And then from there, I just went in with my Liqueur and then just start sealing in the gold leaf. I put this up for sale on Facebook Marketplace for £25, but then I had to change it after a few days because I didn't have that much interest, and somebody's coming to pick it up on Monday for £15. So I'm quite happy with the result. I haven't lost anything that much because it cost me £4 for it and about £2.50 to upcycle it, so I'm not really losing anything at all. And yeah, I'm happy with the results. So guys, thank you so much for checking out my video with me. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. and this is what the end result looks like, guys. I'm so impressed with it. Quite simple and easily to upcycle that you can do on the side. I mean, it's £4 and I was selling it for £15 and I've made a profit on it. I haven't lost anything because it cost me like £2.50 to upcycle it. So I'm quite impressed with the result, guys. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you next time in my video. Thank you. Bye bye.